A 2.6% upward move in SUI is indicated by coin price forecast by June 7. To begin, here's a quick look at the recent price behavior. As of now, SUI has declined by 3.8% in the last 24 hours and is hovering near $0.6902. Let's dive into the analyst expectations. According to coin price forecast, the asset could reach 71 cents tomorrow, an upside of 2.6%. SUI could move towards $0.7053 according to CoinLore, a move up close to 2%. CoinCodex notes it might progress towards $0.6945, a projected increase close to 0.4%. Another prediction from Capital Collector puts the target for SUI at $0.6866 on the downside, approximately 0.8% lower. Finally, 30 rate sees $0.6497 by June 7, 6.1% down. This is the most profitable forecast among all those reviewed. That wraps up 5 expert takes. Let's go on. Here's how the 5 forecasts translate into numbers and probabilities. Looking across the collected predictions, the movement in price is estimated between a drop of 6.1% and a rise of 2.6%. Depending on the analyst. Put simply, 30 rates projects the highest return with 6.1% gain in value by tomorrow. In short, you could see a return of between $4 and $61 for every $1,000 you invest. Considering the odds, CoinCodex leads with a 96.5% chance of success. Using the input of all 5 forecasts, I've outlined a consensus view. According to the average forecast, SUI stays near $0.6892 with little variation. Let's break it down step by step. The consensus scenario signals a 0.4% decrease in price. Following that trend, your capital might also climb by about 0.4%. A 1,000 investment might show a return of about $4 under this forecast. So the chance of the consensus forecast playing out stands near 96.5%. Now then, let's take a closer look at how analysts envision the 3-day scenario. According to CoinPrice forecast, the price path is set to rise. According to CoinLore, the price is expected to remain largely unchanged, reflecting a stable short-term market environment. According to CoinCodex, the market is likely to trend downward. Capital Collector highlights a steady outlook with no clear direction. 30 rates sees SUI losing ground. By aligning the individual projections, the consensus signals weakness for SUI in the coming days. Taken together, 80% of forecasts suggest SUI could move lower in the near term. 2 days ago, 5 forecasts were aimed at the day after. That day is behind us, so let's see how accurate they were. In the end, the price reached $0.7033. The results showed that only a small group had the right forecast about the direction. Looking at the numbers, Capital Collector turned out most precise. Let's take it apart. Just one forecast fit neatly into the daily span. For ROI performance, multiple analysts managed to stay above zero, and CoinCodex led with 11.3%. Here's the fact-check summary. All performance data in one place. Also in today's table, CoinCodex had 93.3% forecast probability, $0.0783 accuracy, and 11.3% ROI. Look through the results and figure out who did the best job. Let's see how the forecasts for tomorrow compare across several cryptos including SUI. SUI is placed in 3rd position for tomorrow's potential returns, with fetch showing 1.5%. Here we're comparing SUI with 4 randomly selected cryptocurrencies. The full dataset is already online on my website. Found this overview helpful? Like the video and subscribe to follow the next one. See you!